In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Tekken 7 on keyboard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily use a keyboard to play Tekken 7. In fact, some players actually believe that it is better than a controller, so it has full native support for keyboard controls. However, you might have to spend some time fine-tuning it according to what you prefer. So when you open Tekken 7, you can go over to the options. So on the main menu, choose options, and then you will find button mapping. This is where you will be able to change all of the keybinds attributed to a controller, or in this case, a keyboard. So in here, you can go over to keyboard controller 1 settings. And upon choosing this, you will see the options here to change every single button to a keyboard action. So for example, in here, the up on the D-pad action is attributed to numpad 5, down on the D-pad to numpad 2, and so on. Now, something that I need to make very clear is that in this video, I'm not going to give you any sort of recommendations on what you should bind all of these keys to. Sadly, I don't play Tekken, but there are a bunch of good videos and overall references that you can use all over YouTube and communities like Reddit of players who are used to playing on keyboard, and they are exceptional. So I highly recommend researching whenever you have the time if you don't know which keys you would like to use. So change these keybinds, you can check the inputs, you can restore them if you are unsure, and once you have everything set up, you will be good to go. So this is an example. But like I said before, don't follow this video if you want to have a recommendation on what you should set these keybinds to. This is just a general video teaching you how you can change them for yourself, and it is up to you to find something that works for you, or if you want to copy it from a professional or an exceptional player. There are plenty of references out there, so just do your own research. But regardless, I hope I was able to help you on how to change the keyboard keybinds on Tekken 7. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality solutions to your problems, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.